If you'd like to support me and see more videos, make sure to subscribe, be my patron on Patreon, and gently caress the like button. It's been smashed and slapped enough. Now here's how to shred this song. Alrighty, let's hammer this one out together. You're going to start with your first finger on the 4th fret of the B string. You're going to play 4, 5, 4, 5. The second time you play 5, you're going to move your first finger up instead of playing it with your second finger. So that your 3rd finger is now perfectly ready to play the 7th fret of the G string. Then you're going to go 5, 7, 5 on the G string. So, very nicely done. Now here's the trickiest part of the whole dang song. It's going to be a 5, 8, 7, 5. But you got to play it pretty quick. See, even I'm not very good at playing it. Then after you do that, you're going to do a 7 and a 5. Play that whole thing twice, and you're good with the first part. Now this is the part of the song that I find to be quite dandy indeed. What you're going to do is take your pinky, put it on the 8th fret of the B string, play that bad boy twice. You get to do a fancy little walk-up on the E string, 5, 6, 7, and back down to the 8 on the B. Just like this. Very nice, you've got it. And then you're going to play 8, 6, 6, 5, 6 on the B string. You got it. Now this part, you're going to play a bunch of notes on the G string here. 5, 7, 5, 8, 8, 7, 8, 7, 5, and down to the 7 on the D string, back to the 5 on the G string. Now this is the hardest part of the whole dang song. I lied before. This is way harder. You gotta play this. You play that and you're all done. Or are you? Yes, you're done. Hope to see you soon.